Friends, my name is Chandan Jha and I am from IJK Batch K Group, and today I will discuss BMEP and thermal efficiency diagram of a diesel cycle with you. So what is BMEP? BMEP is the brake mean effective pressure or the average pressure which is applied on a piston during complete cycle, and it is used to compare two engines without the other parameters such as power and volume, etc. Now to compare two engines we need BMEP, brake power, and then we will calculate mean effective pressure. Now brake power is the power output, net power output which is available at the crankshaft, which is the difference of the ideal power and the power losses during friction and other lubricating processes as well. And the brake power is also equal to pressure into volume. We also know that power is equal to torque into omega. So if we will equate that and considering pressure to be mean effective pressure, we can calculate BMEP. And I have created a play card which is, you can see very carefully. BMEP is equal to 2 pi into torque into NC upon VD, and N is equal to 2 for 4-stroke engine and N is equal to 1 for 2-stroke engine. Now before all that, we should also know about the working of an IC engine. In IC engine, the pressure, the fuel is converted from chemical energy into mechanical energy at the crankshaft. So in IC engine, the fuel is taken by the intake valve, then it is ignited by the spark plug, and then the gas forces the combustible mixture forces the piston to rotate the crankshaft, and then the exhaust valve is open and the exhaust gases is let go. Now the exhaust gas consists of major portion of the energy of an engine, which is an wastage. And nowadays it is also used for supercharging and turbocharging, which we will discuss again later. Now to calculate, we have discussed about BMEP, but what is the application of BMEP? BMEP is mainly used to compare about two engines. Now I can tell you something about the facts and figures. Like in naturally aspirated spark ignition engine, BMEP ranges from 8.5 to 10.5 bars. In boosted spark ignition engine, it ranges from 12.5 to 17 bars. In Rolls-Royce Merlin car, it ranges from around 23.1 bar. In Koenigsegg Agera, it ranges at 28 bar. So we can see the higher the supercar is, the higher is the BMEP, which is used to compare two cars without the other parameters. Now I will discuss thermal efficiency diagram of a diesel cycle with you. So diesel, we all know that diesel cycle, in diesel cycle the fuel is expanded at a constant pressure. Now I have created a play card like this, you can see, and which results from this to this in diesel cycle, and we all know that its efficiency is less than Otto cycle. And from this I have calculated the mean effective pressure in diesel cycle by dividing it by the net volume, you can see. Okay, and now I will tell you about the pressure energy losses in the IC engine. About 35% of the fuel energy is converted to useful crankshaft work, and about 30% of the energy is expelled with the exhaust. This leaves about 1/3 of the total energy that must be transmitted from the enclosed cylinder through the cylinder walls and head to the surrounding atmosphere. And in approximate figures, I can tell you that 30% of the power is going to vehicle operation, in which 25% is used for mobility, and the remaining 5% is used in friction and parasitic losses. 30% of the power goes to coolant, and 40% of the power goes to exhaust gases. And with this I want to conclude my video. I also want to thank Rajkumar sir for giving me opportunity to make a presentation and having such a wonderful idea. Thank you all for watching my video.